Starting around 31 walk 2024 Avalanche truly is exchanging at $53.44 in terms of its est rate with a value change of 9% in kind of most recent 1 hour amazingly. Avax certainly has a very all-out market cap of $2169, 784, 831 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $299, 302, 359 in spite of mainstream thinking. This basically makes Avalanche Avax genuinely positioning at 10 in the cryptographic money market in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche certainly be worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Avalanche a truly wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Avax costs certainly outperform its unsurpassed high, which is very huge? These by and large are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross a genuinely normal value level of $72.72, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to for the most part be $70.56, so in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Avalanche cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Avalanche really be especially worth in 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner? Besides, Avax can in a real sense arrive at a really greatest value level of $83.63 in an all things considered large way. Avalanche Avax value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Avalanche cost essentially is estimate to arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $51.97, which is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $58.47 with the extremely normal expected cost around $56.85 in an exceptionally significant manner. Avalanche Avax value gauge April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Avalanche truly is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $57.98, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $61.31 and a for the most part least of $55.28. Which shows that Avalanche Avax value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Avalanche fundamentally is truly anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $57.98, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $61.31 and a very least of $55.28, or so they certainly thought. Avax value gauge May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Avalanche generally is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an essentially least value worth of $56.98 in an unpretentious manner. The Avax cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $63.63 with a really normal cost around $59.14 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche Avax value conjecture June 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for June 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of $58.21, while the sort of most extreme anticipated cost by and large is around $66. The genuinely normal cost for Avax is basically anticipated to sort of reach $60.92 in June 2024, or so they generally thought. Avalanche Avax value figure July 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for July 2024 may sort of arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $64, while the truly greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $69.04, exhibiting that starting around 31 walk 2024 Avalanche in a real sense is exchanging at $53.44 in term of its US rate with the value change of 9% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which really is very critical. The very normal cost for Avax generally is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach $62.74 in July 2024 in an extremely enormous way. Avalanche Avax value figure August 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for August 2024 may explicitly arrive at an especially least worth of $62.46, while the genuinely most extreme gauge cost is around $71.55 in a significant manner. The truly normal cost for Avax sort of is truly anticipated to generally reach $64.63 in August 2024, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Avax value conjecture. September 2024. The Avalanche gauge for September 2024 expects that the Avax may especially arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $74.14 with a really least cost of around $63.21, or so they certainly thought. Discussing the typical value, Avax can in a real sense stretch around $65.92 for September in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Avalanche certainly is supposed to fundamentally be at around a very least of $65.07, pretty further appearance how Avax. Value conjecture May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Avalanche for the most part is supposed to essentially arrive at an especially least value worth of $56.98, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avalanche cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of $76.77 with a typical cost of $67.24 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Avalanche Avax value estimate November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Avalanche explicitly is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a typical cost of $69.93, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $80.14 and an essentially least of $67.22 in a fundamentally significant manner. Avalanche value expectation December 2024. The cost of Avalanche explicitly is somewhat anticipated to essentially reach at a really least worth of $70.56 in December 2024, which for the most part is very huge. The Avax cost could generally arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $83.63 with the really normal exchanging worth of $72.72 all through 2024. Avalanche especially passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 109% in its genuinely current worth. Assuming we generally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap basically is additionally down, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Avax basically was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 32% in every way that really matters, enormous way. Avalanche basically has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely of potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to buy and large dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Avalanche value expectation December 2024. The cost of Avalanche most certainly is somewhat anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a sort of least worth of $70.56 in December 2024 in a for the most part enormous manner. Avalanche value estimate 2024 facts. What will explicitly be Avalanche worth in 2024, which generally is very critical. The Avax cost especially is gauged to arrive at a most extreme degree of $83.63 with least cost of $70.56 toward the finish of 2024, which basically is genuinely huge. Torrential slides by and large have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Avalanche generally has a remarkable pretty potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels. So does Avalanche